welcome to our video presentation. For today's video, let's talk about the importance of soil in our community. So now, let's proceed to our main topic. Soils are a key component of agricultural productivity, and soil microbiota determine the availability of many essential plant nutrients. Agricultural domestication of soils, that is the conversion of previously uncultivated soils to a cultivated state, is frequently accompanied by intensive monoculture, especially in the developing world. However, there is limited understanding of how continuous cultivation alters the structures of prokaryotic soil microbiota after soil domestication. It includes to what extent croplands impact soil microbiota composition, and how changes in microbiota composition arising from cultivation affect crop performance. Soil domestication through continuous monoculture of cultivation of rice results in compositional changes in the soil microbiota, which are in part driven by the rice plants. The consequences include a negative impact on plant performance and increases in greenhouse gases emitting microbes.
Soil provides plants a foothold for the roots and hold the necessary nutrients for plants to grow. Soil filters the rainwater and regulates the discharge of excess in rainwater, preventing flood. It also buffers against pollutants, thus protecting groundwater quality. Soil is capable of storing large amount of organic carbon. It is the largest terrestrial store of carbon. On average, the soil contains about 3 times more organic carbon than the vegetation and about twice as much carbon that is present in atmosphere. This is of particular importance in efforts to mitigate climate change. Carbon can come out the atmosphere and be stored in the soil. Helping to rebalance the global carbon budget, soil is our life support system. Soil anchor roots, hold water and store nutrients. Soil are home to earthworms, termites, and a myriad of microorganisms that fix nitrogen and decompose organic matter. We build on soil as well as with it. Soil plays a vital role in the Earth's ecosystem, and with soil, human life would be very difficult.
Soil can be categorized into sand, clay, silt, peat, chalk, and loam types of soil based on the dominating size of the particles within the soil. Here is a breakdown of the common traits for each soil's type. Loam soils. Loam soil is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay that are combined to avoid the negative effects of each type. These soils are fertile, easy to work with, and provide good drainage. Depending on their predominant composition, they can be either sandy or clay loam. As the soils are perfect balance of soil particles, they are considered to be a gardener's best friends, but still benefit from topping up with the additional organic matter. Next is sandy soil. Sandy soil is light, warm, dry, and tends to be acidic and low in nutrients. Sandy soil are other known as light soils due to their high proportion of sands and little clay. These soils have quick water and drainage are easy to work with. They are quicker to warm up in spring than clay soil, but tend to dry out in summer and suffer from low nutrients that are washed away by rain. The addition of organic matter can help give plants an additional boost from nutrients by improving the nutrient and water holding capacity of the soil.
Silt soil. Silt soil is a light and moisture-retentive soil type with a high fertility rating. As the silt soils comprise of medium-sized particles, they are well drained and hold moisture well. As the particles are fine, they can be easily compacted and are prone to washing away with rain. By adding organic matter, the silt particles can be bound into more stable clumps. Clay soil. Clay soil is a heavy soil type that benefits from high nutrients. Clay soils remain wet and cold in winter and dry out in summer. These soils are made of over 25% clay, and because of the spaces found between clay particles, clay soil hold a high amount of water. because these soils drain slowly and take longer to warm up in the summer. Combined with drying out and cracking in summer, they can often test gardeners. Peat soil. Peat soil is a high in organic matter and retains a large amount of moisture. This type of soil is very rarely found in a garden and often imported into a garden to provide an optimum soil for planting.